Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to apply for tax rebate only ways. Start by confirming you have Form 1099 or W-2, photo ID, and banking details for direct deposit. Next, complete the official rebate application or tax form accurately, double-checking Social Security numbers and amounts. Finally, submit electronically if available and save confirmation numbers. Follow up by tracking your application online and respond promptly to any agency requests. Collect every required document before you start to avoid delays and frustration. Arrange ID, Forms 1099 or W-2, proof of address, and banking info in one folder or digital scan. Make clear copies and ensure names and numbers match official records exactly. This reduces errors and speeds approval. If you need help, ask a tax professional or use official support channels to confirm you have the correct forms and information ready. If you're finding this helpful, subscribe and like to support more clear tax walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: the O'Ala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long paperwork sessions with a leak-proof design and easy carry handle, making tedious filing slightly more pleasant. I link it and other deals in the description, so check there to grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When filing, be patient and precise to avoid common mistakes that slow rebate processing. Enter banking info carefully for direct deposit and choose certified electronic filing if offered. Save and print confirmation pages and capture screenshots of submission receipts. Monitor your application status online and set reminders to respond to any follow-up requests. Small steps now help ensure you receive your rebate smoothly and without unnecessary waiting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.